Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. My name is Mint and today with Go Queen help we are going to start the very first episode of Being My Ride. Stroller. Actually, we should call this series Being My Toy, and let me know in the comments what toys you want me to get and customize for you in the upcoming videos. That will be super fun to do, okay? Well, in this episode, we are going to take this white stroller that we have here and we are going to customize it and make it amazing. Today's customer is the one and only Luxe. Help us make the perfect stroller for her little sister. We need to make the stroller really shiny and really gold. 24K in the air today. Join us in this adventure. Follow me, there is no time to waste. Oops, we forgot the stroller. This baby should go to sleep. Sweet dreams, little sister. When you wake up, your stroller should be ready to go. Now time to transform this into a beauty worth it of her friend Luxe. Time to start. The very first thing we are gonna do is to take this part out so that we can paint better. Let's paint the base yellow first. And we are gonna add gold acrylic paint when it's completely dry. We paint the other side. Remember, this is only our base color, so you don't need to be perfect. Just try to cover as much as possible. You can add a second layer if you want. Paint this yellow. And we are gonna paint everything yellow as well. We are gonna add some designs later on. When the paint is completely dry and we apply the gold color, like so. Now we just let it dry. When everything is completely dry, we are gonna paint the wheels black. Be really careful not to paint the yellow. We are gonna paint every wheel and also the bottom of the stroller. We are gonna paint this part mint. Don't be perfect because we are gonna cover this part. We are gonna paint inside mint as well. Now that the stroller is completely dry, we are gonna start by adding black glitter to the wheels. We need a little bit of glue. We need our black glitter. Let's add the glue to the wheels only. Let's add the glitter. So cute! Don't forget the other side. We are gonna add more glue and add glitter to this part as well. Like so. And we do the same thing to the other side, the front and the back. For the top part, I'm gonna add glitter from here to here. We are gonna add the glitter to the glue. Don't forget to add the rest. This is what we have so far. Now the only thing left is to paint the yellow part with gold acrylic paint. We are gonna let it dry and we are going to apply a second layer and we are going to be done with this step. Well guys, this is it. This is the final result. I am loving the style and I hope you find this series super fun to watch. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what other toys you want me to customize, or if you have a favorite doll, then I will be more than happy to make the stroller as well. Don't forget that you are awesome, and if you are not part of the Mint family, subscribe to this channel and be part of all the fun. Click on the notification bell and never miss one of the videos. A lot of exciting and different things are coming soon. Love you a lot. Mint out. Bye bye.